Did you know that approximately 12 production steps, 6 pairs of hands and 2 full working days are required before a Da Vinci quality artist brush is finished and can leave our factory? This particularly exclusive Da Vinci line is handmade by specialised brushmakers. The selection of raw materials as well as high-quality craftsmanship are essential to ensure the elasticity of the brush. Everything starts with weighing and portioning the material. The hair, fine hair tips directed down, is knocked down in brass tins in order to enable a perfect shape of the brush. The prepared hair bundle is fixed with a cotton string and finally shaped by hand. The hair is bloomed into the correct shape at this stage. The bloomed hairs are now inserted into a metal form, the so-called ferrule. The gluing of the brush hairs into the ferrule is done by a dosing machine. Afterwards, loose hairs which had not been glued are carefully removed. Sizes and company name are stamped onto the handles. Handles and ferrules are pressed together. The hairs of the brush are brought into their characteristic shape, which we call original shape, with the help of a gum arabic solution. By doing that, the hairs of the brushes are well protected for shipment and storage. Each brush is carefully checked to see if the finishing of the brush head is impeccable and the ferrule is firmly attached to the handle. The brush gets a protective tube for safe transport. Carefully packaged, it may then start its travel, perhaps over mountains and oceans, to one of our loyal customers making art in the wide world.